Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Yutika Bajpayee, Director Mediclasses, Director Regency IVF, Consultant Reproductive Medicine at Regency CDR, Kanpur.
I am Dr. Neha Agarwal, currently working at Himalayan Institute of Medical Sciences, Dehradun.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Chetan Dave, former Pediatric Endocrinology Fellow at CDR Kanpur and Consultant Pediatric Endocrinologist at Rajkot, Gujarat.
Myself Riddhi Patel. I did fellowship in pediatric and adolescent endocrinology from CDR Kanpur, and currently I am working as consultant pediatric endocrinologist in Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
I'm Dr. Sajili Mehta, practicing pediatric endocrinologist in Pune, Maharashtra.
Hello everybody, I'm Dr. Pratik Sen from CDR Kanpur.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shanu. I am presently working as a fellow under Dr. Anurag.
Dr. Narayanan, currently doing fellowship under the guidance of Dr. Anurag sir.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anurag Bajpayee, Pediatric Endocrinologist at Regency Center for Diabetes, Endocrinology and Research, Kanpur, and Director Mediclasses, and I have immense pleasure in announcing the launch of Mediclasses Advanced Pediatric Endocrinology. Pediatric endocrinology is considered one of the most fascinating but complicated branches of medicine, one which requires extensive evaluation, management, and has got a lot of complexities in terms of overall interplay of hormones, environment, and genetic factors. Pediatric endocrinology books vary from large voluminous book with a major emphasis on pathophysiology with lower emphasis on day-to-day management and clinical aspects, making approach difficult, to practical books which are focusing entirely on approach with very limited understanding of pathophysiology. It is the right mix of pathophysiology and approach which is essential to allow appropriate evaluation and management of pediatric endocrinology.
It gives me immense pleasure in introducing you all to the most awaited pediatric endocrine book by Mediclasses.
Mediclasses Advanced Pediatric Endocrinology tries to gel between the complex narratives of pathophysiology with practical approaches using algorithms, using illustrative case scenarios and diagrams which help bridge the gap between pathophysiology and clinical management.
Mediclasses Advanced Pediatric Endocrinology textbook digs deep into complex pediatric endocrinology concepts, allowing simplified patient management.
The Mediclasses Advanced Pediatric Endocrinology book accommodates every topic of pediatric endocrinology in depth and clarity.
This book is one of its type and it consists of various parts of pediatric endocrinology described in great detail.
Mediclasses Pediatric Endocrinology comprises of 2 volumes, 8 sections and 63 chapters. Each chapter focuses on pathophysiology to begin with. It then progresses towards the pointers and criteria for a condition with an extensive use of figures along with approach pathways, management pathways, algorithmic etiology. One of the most unique features of the books are over 150 algorithms focusing on algorithmic etiology, approach and management, which provide a simplistic solution for evaluation, understanding and management of complex pediatric endocrine disorders. One of the key features of the book is the use of illustrative real-life case scenarios which help us identify and manage particular conditions related to pediatric endocrinology. Over 600 real-life scenarios of cases encompassing nearly all the possible spectrum faced by a pediatric endocrinologist.
These are mainly there to provoke your thoughts and help you face these cases when the next time they approach you.
The key sections include the fundamentals, pituitary disorders, adrenal disorders, bone disorders, cancer and endocrinology, ovarian, testis and metabolic disorders. Each section starts with chapters on physiology and assessment and then progresses into syndromic evaluation, approach and management on endocrine physiology, pathology, diagnostics, therapeutics, genetics and research. Higher aspect of hormone physiology, action and regulation along with extensive hormone crosstalks. We have specifically focused on endocrine pathology, which forms the basis of entire disorder chapter on endocrine genetics, which goes right from the very basics to the advanced issues in terms of the use of genetic techniques in diagnosing and managing pediatric endocrine disorders, endocrine assessment with entire issues about laboratory techniques, methodology, overview of endocrine therapeutics, providing the various options that are available for treatment of endocrine disorders, endocrine research, which is extremely relevant from a clinical perspective, both for conducting research as well as interpreting research and guidelines for clinical practice. Sections on pituitary disorders has got 9 chapters focusing on pituitary physiology, multiple pituitary hormone deficiency, diabetes insipidus, hyperprolactinemia, tall stature, pituitary assessment, IGF-1 deficiency, and SIDH in cell mass, and they again use that syndromic approach to cover the entirety. Section on adrenal disorders, starting from physiology and assessment, going forwards to adrenal insufficiency, Cushing syndrome, impaired and increased aldosterone effects, teratogenic defects, especially with various forms and advances of congenital adrenal hyperplasia, adrenal incidentuloma, and specific sections on glucocorticoid therapy and immune endocrinopathy. Last section in the volume 1 is the one which deals with a close interplay between endocrinology and cancer in the form of endocrine neoplasia, thyroid carcinoma, pheochromocytoma, and the other way around of late effects of cancer treatment. Volume 2 begins with an entire section on bone and calcium, which has got extensive chapters on bone physiology, assessment, followed by low bone mass, high bone mass, rickets of prematurity, increased and impaired PTH effect, impaired vitamin D effect, hypophosphatemic rickets, and hypomagnesemia.
Section on ovarian disorders includes ovarian assessment, physiology, menstrual disorders, hyperandrogenisms, and specific aspects of pediatric and adolescent gynecology.
There is a section on testicular disorders, starting again with physiology and assessment, progressing towards impaired GnRH effect, testosterone effect, and the very common micropenis, undescended testis, and gynecomastia in clinical practice, with a section entirely on Klinefelter syndrome. Metabolic disorders, which are more complicated in the form of neonatal diabetes, monogenic diabetes, type 2 diabetes, a specific chapter on hyperinsulinism and increased insulin effect, genetic causes of obesity, and lipid disorders.
This book is a joy to read for all those who love endocrinology and apply them in their daily practice.
Which makes the pediatric endocrinology learning very easy.
It's got chapters which are useful not only to the practicing pediatric endocrinologist but also to the undergraduate and postgraduate medical students as well as practicing pediatrician.
This book will give you all the information you need about the subject, and it will be helpful to all, from postgraduate students to senior faculty.
The book is available at our website learning.growsociety.in, so you just have to go there and look at the various book options available. You can explore the preview of the book and proceed towards purchase of the book through the of our payment gateway.
Have a happy learning.
Very happy learning.
Happy learning.
Happy learning!